Did you know that you can use aloe vera ice cubes and aloe vera ice chops for acne breakouts? Kindly watch till the end. I'm very sure you'll be surprised. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. Today I'm going to show you how to use the aloe vera ice cubes and aloe vera ice chops, how to use them for acne, to prevent you from acne breakouts. It's very easy. As I'm going to show you, then I'm going to explain the benefits. Don't leave kindly. Remember to use this whenever you have acne, and you'll be shocked. Within no time, very short time, it's going to clear the acne. I'm going to explain why. Kindly don't leave. Now, very easy. This is what you do. I've frozen mine. For people with very sensitive skin, you can put on moisturizer. Mine is a very sensitive skin, so I did a moisturizer, and then I'm going to use the ice cube. If you have, for example, if I have acne here, a breakout here, you just rub direct to the affected area. Just do like this. This is what you do. Rub to every affected area. But if you don't have a very sensitive skin, you can just do it direct without the moisturizer. The reason why it may affect people with sensitive skin, it's because it may cause redness because of the cold effect. Now, the same thing you use, if you don't have the ice cubes, you can use the aloe vera chops. I froze them, and then this is what you do. Just rub direct to the spot, to the affected area. This is what you do. If you have a breakout, just rub. And I'm going now to explain to you very shortly how they work. And kindly get the link. We are putting the link on how we made the aloe vera gel and how to extract, to remove the irritating aloe vera pulp, the yellow pulp that you don't want to put on your skin. Kindly, we are putting that. Kindly check. And now, aloe vera ice cubes, when frozen, and you rub on your skin to prevent acne or to get rid of acne if you have acne-prone skin, or if you have oily skin, or even for any skin, it's very good. Being that it's frozen and it's cold, it regulates the skin oils, the production of skin oils, the oils that cause acne. It helps in blood circulation. The cold, the frozen ice helps in blood circulation, which makes your oils not to be, your pores not to be clogged. It prevents you from clogging the pores, and if your blood is circulating well, no breakouts. And also, it's very good for cooling effects and relaxes your skin. It tightens the pores. That tightens the skin, gives you a very rejuvenated, a very renewed, youthful skin, free from wrinkles, and gets rid of spots, acne spots. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. Don't forget to put on a notification for more videos and leave a comment. Kindly just go back. We are putting the link on how to make the aloe vera gel, and also the description on what the benefits of aloe vera. The video is right here. Find it. And I know that you're enjoying the videos. Kindly let us know even more what you want us to show you, and we're going to show you. Thank you so much. I love you with the love of Christ. Thank you.